PIA is one of the best organizations we ever joined.
Valuable resource for us.
We did numerous things that saved us thousands of dollars, and I couldn't have done it without the PIA.
So our PIA membership really paid off for us.
I just want to say thank you to the PIA.
I run the RIT, Rochester Institute of Technology, print and mailing facility. We've been a PIA member for the last 5 or 6 years. And one thing that I'd like to talk to you about today is the training of employees. One thing that we saw over that time frame was a dramatic shift in jobs from offset to digital. And I had a problem with what was I going to do with my offset operators. Through my association with the PIA and particularly Tim Freeman, Tim sent me some information about grant possibilities, and we looked into getting a grant for training. And through the local community college, we were able to get a grant from New York State that paid about $2,500 out of a $3,000 training bill that we had. We took all our offset operators, retrained them for digital, and they became certified iGen operators in our facility. I was able to save the 3 jobs that we had there. We weren't totally getting rid of offset, but we definitely had to make some kind of transition for those operators. And being associated with the PIA, we were able to significantly reduce the training bill that we had and secure funds to support that. So our PIA membership really paid off for us.